Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I regularly share tutorials, tips, and strategies to help you build a better Shopify store and grow your online business. This video will walk you through the entire process of adding pages on Shopify, customizing them, and making them easily accessible to your visitors. Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add pages on Shopify complete with pages, menu links, and more. We'll make the process simple, clear, and straightforward. Let's dive in and start by navigating to the site editor. Before clicking into anything, it's important to understand that Shopify pages help you organize your website content. These pages can be used for About Us, Contact, FAQs, policies, services, blog intro, or any custom information you want your customers to view. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of the screen, where you'll see the page title displayed. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to select Pages. If you're using Shopify's Online Store 2.0 themes, each page can have its own unique layout using the theme editor, giving you much more design flexibility. Once you've selected Pages, you'll see the option to Add Template. This is where you'll begin creating your new page. When creating your page, you'll start by entering a suitable name. Think about how your page will function and what it's intended for, as this will help you choose a name that is both descriptive and functional for your visitors. If you're not sure what to name your page, consider how customers will search for information. Clear and simple names work best for SEO and user experience. After naming your page, you'll be asked to select an existing template that will act as a base template for your new page. Take a moment to consider your choices here. The template will dictate the overall layout and feel of the page, so choose one that matches the style and purpose of what you're aiming for. You can create multiple custom templates if you want different designs for different types of pages. This is especially useful for landing pages, collection guides, or promotional content. Once you've successfully created your new page, your next step is to navigate over to the admin dashboard. In the admin dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the left side with various options. Look for Content and give it a click. Under the Content section, you'll find Menus, which is where you'll be working next. In the Menu section, focus your attention on the main menu, as this is where your new page will reside. The goal is to ensure that this page is accessible to your website visitors. To achieve this, you will need to add a menu item. Click on the Add Menu Item button to get started. You'll now be prompted to name your new menu item. This should be the same as the name of the page you just created, to maintain consistency and clarity for your visitors. If you're planning multiple pages, make sure your menu is clean and well organized. Visitors should be able to find what they need with just one click. After naming the menu item, you'll need to create a link from this item to your new page. There will be several linking options available, so look for the one that corresponds with the page you've just set up. The last step in this process is perhaps the simplest. Click Save. This will cement all the changes you've made, ensuring that your new page is live and accessible via your main menu. Take a moment to view your website and verify that everything is functioning correctly. If you see your new page link in the main menu and it directs to your new content as expected, and you've successfully completed the process. And there you have it. You've not only created but also linked a new page on your Shopify site. I hope this tutorial provided you with clear and helpful guidance. Thank you for watching, and be sure to reach out with any questions or if you require additional guidance. Before you go, consider leaving a comment about what Shopify topic you'd like me to cover next. Your suggestions help me create videos that are more useful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps more store owners learn these skills.